What's up, warriors? Welcome to another Bitcoin price update. As you can see, Bitcoin had a nice move to the downside. Okay, this is around where New York opened. All right, so as you can see, we were creating higher highs, right? And then we end up having this nice little drop here. Okay, so first of all, okay, from right here and then right here, we did create higher highs. Okay, then we had a drop. We did try to come back up to it, but we were not able to take the highs and we created a lower high. Okay. From there, we also created this shooting star here and we end up coming down. All right. Once we lost this daily open, okay, and also this daily point of control here with the value, previous day value area high, that was a clear signal of us going down, right? Because we also changed the market structure from right here, right? So once you see all of that, you know, well, that is a good short, right? Because we were not able to hold that level and we were not able to hold this market structure here. So once you see this candle, right, you that's giving you a heads up. And then once this next bearish candle came in, you should have gone in right here on the market order and be able to ride this to the downside. Okay, now from there, as you can see, we did come down to the previous day value area low, and now we have reclaimed the weekly point of control. Of course, we need to make sure that we can close this candle above here. And if we're able to do that, then we can see ourselves moving back up at least to the previous day point of control, which is around that 46,230. And if we can close above this candle here, right, which is around that 46,450 or so, then we can see ourselves try to do another move to the upside. Before then, though, we're still looking a little bit of bearish, okay, and we can probably even come and visit this weekly and monthly point of controls, which is around the 45,300 area, okay. So you need to understand that from this point of view, okay. If we cannot close above this candle, then we are still bearish, right? This is why you need to also be aware of these things. Now, of course, you could have maybe take a long from here, right? And then you can have your invalidation over here, your stop loss. And right now you would have been in a successful trade, but this is a little bit more of a guessing, right? Because right now you're still bearish, okay? Now, it doesn't mean that we're going to be going all the way down or nothing like that. It's just on the intraday, short term level. All right. On the long term level, of course, that's a little different. But as you can see, right, from if we go back, we've been in this range now around that the 27th of March. Okay. And we just been dancing around here back and forth, back and forth. Okay, the other thing also that I want you to see is that this is the Fibonacci speed fan right here, this green line, okay, and we actually end up basically jumping from there, okay. So you did have some confluence here. You did have the previous day value area low, right, with the Fibonacci speed fan, okay. That actually gave you a nice long opportunity since you were not able to break through that. You did wick down, but you were able to hold above it and close above it. So that gives you another confirmation of actually taking that long. Okay. So that was an amazing long there. And now, of course, we just need to wait and see, are we going to be able to move to at least the previous day point of control, which is around the 46,230, or are we going to, you know, fail from here and then move back down, close below the weekly point of control, and then, continue going to the downside. Okay. So this is why you should always have a bullish and a bearish scenario plan when you do your TA. So then when you see the reactions, you're able to take action and be able to have your stop losses in place, be able to understand where you're going to get in, what's the reaction that you're looking for, and then be able to take that trade immediately. Especially if you do get stopped out on one of them, then your, let's say an example, you were still looking for bearish here and you got stopped out. Well, you're gonna say, wait a minute, this is looking now like my bullish plan. Let me take my long from here, right? Yes, you would have got stopped out on your bearish scenario plan, but you would have made that back on your bullish scenario. Okay, so this is why you should always have a plan. If you do not have a plan, do not trade. All right, from there, like I said, right now we're just waiting to see if we're going to be able to close above this weekly point of control. And if we are and we start getting some volume, then I can see us moving at least to the previous day point of control. And I'll start looking for a little bit higher longs if we are able to close above this candle here. Okay, which is basically around that daily point of control of 46,450 or so. Okay, and to tell you the truth, it would be even better if we can close above this daily open, which is around the 46,605. Okay, if we can do that, then yes, I can see us maybe even trying to go back up to test the 47,200 to $800 area, which is around here, which is the other Fibonacci level. Okay, and then try to take these highs, as you can see. All right, and maybe move back to this range here. Okay, but if we cannot do that, then of course, you have your bearish scenario and you can start looking for more downside. Okay, around that 44,000 or below. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update here, give you some levels. Okay, so you guys can have it in your charts if you want to. You can just take a screenshot and just have those levels there. Remember, these levels do change every single day. All right, so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of the information then, plus some tips and a little extra goodies. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Please make sure that if you're not a subscriber, to subscribe. Make sure that you like the video. That really helps me out. And also comment below if you have any questions and I'll respond back to you. Okay, so have a great day. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for educational purposes. And don't forget, always have a bullish and a bearish scenario plan. And make sure that when you see the reactions, you take action. And you always, always, always protect your capital. That is rule number one. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Hope you have a great day. Take care. And remember, let the profits come to you.